Well, we're here today at 5 Wilson Street in Rosebud. A fantastic morning to conduct the auction. As the people start rolling in shortly, we'll get it underway. We've had over 70 groups through this. There's been a huge amount of interest. We'll see what the day holds. 800 the bid, calling for a rise of 20 from there at 800,000 the bid. 800,000 the bid now, 800 looking for a rise of 20 anywhere at 800. First call now at 800,000. Second, third, and final call for 5 Wilson Street, Rosebud. Ladies and gentlemen, at this point I formally pass the property in. We invite anybody with any continuing interest to come and see us. We'll sit down and we can work out a deal with you during the course of the day. Well, what a really interesting auction we had. Over 70 groups turned up, they stood across the road and not a single bid was made. We passed the property in and now we're negotiating with 3 different groups. No doubt we'll get this one sold this afternoon and for another Rain and Horn record.